What's going on, YouTube? Here I'm gonna give you a quick little review on this Rowenta fan. Alright, here's the fan. It's silent, it's powerful, it has controls, a remote control. Let's see how it goes. Alright, here's the inside of the box, nicely packed. This is the stand part. This is the fan part. Let's see. It's a cool fan, but I'm probably gonna dislike this part. That's the base to it. So here's the base. It's huge. This is the first part. Just unscrew it. Once it's unscrewed, this part goes here. And then this part, screw it on. Tight fit. The next part, grab the base to it. Unscrew it off. That was cool. Then next you take this part off. Finally, when it comes off, you grab the back of the fan. So the part right here says up. So that goes in there. You grab this piece and just tie it up again. You make sure it'll fall into place because there's two little plastic parts here. It has a side up that'll go inside the metal part. I guess so the fan won't move. There's another plastic part right here. So you grab this piece and then you screw it back. Screw it back down so it's nice and tight. Don't over tighten it. This part won't move. You grab your blade. It should fit because in here because this is like cut halfway. So you find a way how to like let it go in easily. Put it in. Grab this other part. And then you tighten it up. Make sure it's a little tight, but don't overdo it. And it spins. So the back part is secured, the front part is secured. Now you grab this part and put it in the front. And it'll say up the direction, so you have to go put it up. There's a little clip right here. It'll hold on to the top and the bottom. They have a little screw. You gotta unscrew to open it. You unscrew this part just a little bit. That way you can bring up how high you want it. And right now we're just leaving it like that. We'll tighten it up. Now this part, you loosen the bottom piece. As you can see the screw that's loosening up. You put it on the fan. And then you tighten it up again. The top part has little hooks where it hooks onto the back part of the fan. On the bottom, for it to be sealed tight, it has a little screw. So you just grab a screwdriver and unscrew it. And once it's unscrewed, you get to open it. You close this part, that's what a screw you gotta put back on so it won't open. So we just take it. Alright, here it goes. It's plugged in. The power button. It spins. It has some medium speed, put it on high. It's quiet. low, it's on. Also quiet, but if you want the silent night for nighttime, it'll blow, but not as fast, but you still feel wind. Let's see with the remote. Put it on high again, and there you have it. Thank you for watching the video. I hope this comes in helpful for anyone who plans on buying this fan. Pretty powerful and quiet.